So yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to Crazy Cyclers.
Hi friends.
I am Mohak and today I will going to share a secret mushroom recipe with you. This is a tried and tested recipe and you will surely like it. It is very tasty and you can use it as a starter. So nowadays we cannot go to many hotels or restaurants and thus we may miss their tasty food. But I have an alternative for that and thus you can follow this recipe and prepare the mushrooms. So let's go on to the ingredients of the recipe. So here I have taken first some chopped garlic, then I have taken 250 grams of mushroom, then I have taken tomato ketchup, then mayonnaise, then a ranch dressing. This is optional, ranch dressing. If you have it you can use, or otherwise you can skip this. We have taken some butter, some soya sauce, some red chili sauce. Again you can skip this red chili sauce, you can just add the tomato ketchup, but if you want to enhance that flavor you can take some red chili sauce. And at the end, as we are making some mushrooms, so we are making cheesy garlic mushrooms, so I have a cheese slice with me. So now what we will do, first step is we will start cutting our mushrooms. So here I have 250 grams of mushroom, and the recipe which I am showing you, you can use it as a starter for 3 to 4 people. So I will tell you how to cut the mushroom. Means this is one mushroom, so you have to slice it in half. See, like this. So you have to slice it like this. So either ways you can, or else what you can do, you can make the pieces of this half, so it means you can cut it into half, but I will leave this. So again, cutting it impacts on your taste. So now we will similarly cut these all mushrooms. These are 250 grams of mushrooms. So let's do the cutting part. Frying pan. You can also use a grill pan or any other pan you have in your home, or else you can also use a kadhai. You can make it any of the thoughts or means things. So here we have some butter. So first what we did, we allowed the pan to get heated for 2 minutes. We did on medium flame. So now I will add a little bit of butter and allow it to melt. So here I have added some melted butter, and here now we will add some olive oil. I skipped the olive oil in the ingredients, but if you have, you can add olive oil for extra taste, but if you don't have, you can only use butter. So we are just adding it for extra taste, add a little bit of it. So now we will allow the olive oil to spread nicely with the butter so that the taste enhances. So first what we will do, we will spread that mixture of butter and olive oil all over the pan. Now we will allow the butter and the olive oil to get mixed for around 10 seconds, and then what we will do, we will take this chopped garlics which we have. Now ensure that this mixture is not too hot, otherwise if you add the garlic in a hot mixture, then they will pop out and your hand maybe get burned. So now our temperature is very nice. So we added some garlic in it, and now we will stir it for 2 minutes on low flame, and then let them be crispy so that the crunch can come. So now we will stir it. So the garlic is now became crisp and nice. So now what we will do at this stage, we will add our chopped mushrooms which we have, and then we will mix it for around 2 minutes again on medium flame. We will not put the flame high, otherwise the garlic which is below, it will get burnt. So now we are adding the all mushrooms. So we have added all the mushrooms now, and now we will just mix it and give it a toss. So now we are going to do this so that the mixture we prepared of the garlic, butter and the olive oil, it directly gets and it exactly gets mixed up with the mushroom. So let's stir it. So now what we will do, after stirring for 1 minute, we will take a lid. So we have a lid with us, and then allow the mushroom to get a little bit of soft, because mushrooms are first hard and then we will allow them to get a little bit of soft. So you have to keep like this for 1 minute on medium flame, that the mushroom becomes soft.
अगर देख रहे हो ना तो प्लीज इसको लाइक और फॉलो करके आगे बढ़ा दीजिए। ये लड़का बहुत ही मेहनत कर रहा है। प्लीज इस वीडियो को वायरल कर दो और सुपर से डुपर बना दो प्लीज।
So let's check after now 2 minutes are complete. So let's check our mushroom is done or not. So yeah, they are completely done. The color has changed of mushroom and they became little bit soft. So that's why. So at this time we will stir it for some time and then we will toss it so that the mixture means it completely blends with it.
Nice tossing.
Thank you. So now what we will do at this point, we will add a little bit of tomato ketchup we have with us. So now we will add the tomato ketchup. So here we have added some tomato ketchup. And now we will mix it. So as I said that the red chili sauce is optional, but I have it, so I am using it. So red chili sauce also enhances the taste. Now I am adding a little bit of red chili sauce in it. Yeah, this much. And now what I will do, I will just mix them up. The color has changed and allow the sauce to get properly mixed with the mushrooms. And once they get properly mixed with the mushroom, don't add the dark soya sauce. Then add a little bit of mayonnaise, because if you directly add the soya sauce, it will change the color.
Nice tossing.
Thank you. So here I have my ranch sauce. So it is completely optional. You can add any other sauce, means if you have mustard sauce, you can add that, or any of your favorite sauce which you have, you can add that for extra flavor. So I am just adding the ranch sauce little bit. So I have added this ranch sauce. So again the ranch sauce will change the color of it. We want to enhance the taste. If you don't have ranch sauce, you can add any other sauce you have at your home. Mustard sauce, then any other chipotle cheese sauce, olive mayo. So you can add that to enhance the taste. Otherwise, if you don't have any other sauces except of mayonnaise and tomato sauce, then you can skip this step. So now we will mix the mushroom, and after this our main step will come. So let me show you. Here I have a little bit of veg mayo with me. So now we will add this to change the color and to enhance the taste. So here we have added this mayonnaise, and now what we will do, we will just mix the mayonnaise with the mushrooms properly. So now this mayonnaise will change the color directly of the mushrooms. Let's see. See, it has changed the color of the mushroom. And after the mayonnaise starts changing the color of the mushroom, what you can do, then you can add a little bit of soya sauce, because we have a ranch sauce with it. So even if the soya sauce changes the color of the mushroom, we can use the ranch to enhance the taste and to change the color. So now I have a bottle of soya sauce with me. So now what we will do, we will add a little bit of soya sauce, not much,
yeah.
because
Very
soya
little,
sauce gets burnt very fast. So we will add a little bit of it, this much. Then what we will do, we will mix it properly with the mushrooms. So here I am mixing. We are just adding soya sauce for the extra flavor we want. So here I am mixing it with soya sauce. It's a very quick recipe, and you can it's very tasty, and you can prepare it at your homes. So here I have mixed properly with the soya sauce. We'll again do some tossing. So here I have tossed them. So now our most important step is to add the cheese slice. So we will first cut the cheese slice, and remember, by till this step means till adding the cheese and allowing to melt it, we have to keep the gas on low flame. Otherwise the garlic will get burned and the flavor will all be damaged. So we will just add layers of cheese, so that it again enhances our taste and changes the color. And what we will do, when we add the cheese, we will cover it with the lid. If you don't cover it with the lid, the cheese will not properly get melt, and the flavor will not enhance. So now we will again keep this for 1 minute under low flame. So now 1 minute is over. So now let's see. Yes, the cheese has properly melted. So now we will just give it a toss with the cheese. So yeah, you can see the color has changed a lot because of cheese, and the flavor is also very good. So now what we will do, the end around 20 seconds we will put it on high flame and then just toss it so that the crisp comes. So now we will close our gas, and then what we will do, we will just mix them so that the all flavors and the all sauces which we added, it properly gets mixed with it. So I got my inspiration to cook with my mom. So she did a lot of cooking and I am a foodie. So that's why I thought that I should also learn cooking, and then I can cook anything I want for me. So now let's do the plating. So now we are doing the plating of the mushrooms which we have. So I have chosen here a white plate. So you can garnish it with some oregano and chili flakes as well, but now we are not doing it. And if you want, if you really desire and to really enhance more its taste, you can also add oregano like I earlier said, and you can also add some vegetables like some capsicum, and then you can, or some spring onions you can add. And see, our tossed garlic mushroom is ready. So now we tasted the creamy cheese mayonnaise mushrooms. So they were perfectly well, and the taste got enhanced because we put the sauces in very less quantities. If you overloaded it many sauces, the taste will get spoiled. Another thing, that mushrooms is very rich in proteins. So especially for vegetarians who don't eat non-veg meats like chicken, mutton, who don't intake a lot of proteins, for them mushroom is a very healthy source of protein, and it is also very, very tasty. So do try the recipe at your home, and please tell in your comments how was the taste and how was the experience. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and yes, also don't forget to click the bell icon which is on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Clicking the bell button, it gives you a notification whenever a new video is uploaded, so that you can have an intact when a new video is uploaded. And all these means like, share, subscribe, comment. It's totally free, so you can do it. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.
And love's taking flight. Things just feel heavy.